family and friends. My name is Wilson Nicholas, grade 7D. How to make Indomie goreng. Aim. Making Indomie goreng is incredibly simple because the flavor is all in the packet. Here's the step-by-step guide to prepare this famous Indonesian instant noodle dish. Ingredients: 1 pack of Indomie goreng. Number 2, water for boiling. Number 3, optional, 1 egg, fried shallot, and vegetable. Material: number 1, pan. Number 2, water. Number 3, fork. Method: number 1, boil the noodle. Number 2, prepare the seasoning on the plate. Number 3, drain the noodle. Number 4, mix everything. Number 5, serve and garnish. That's it. Indomie goreng is ready to eat. Enjoy. Thank you, Mr. Martin.